friends, welcome to the part 3 of the nutrition in animal. In the previous video, we talked about the mouth and the buccal cavity. Now in this video, we will continue with the topic the food pipe or esophagus. The swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. Esophagus runs along the neck and the chest. Food is pushed down by the movement of the walls of the food pipe in the stomach. Now children, sometimes the food passed by the esophagus is not accepted by the stomach and we vomit out. The stomach. The stomach is a thick-walled bag which is shaped like a flattened J. The stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. The stomach receives food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus which protects the lining of the stomach. The second one is the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria that enter along with the food into the stomach. Hydrochloric acid makes the medium in the stomach acidic, which helps the digestive juice to act. Digestive juices breaks down the proteins into simpler substances. The small intestine. The small intestine is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meters long. The small intestine receives secretions from the liver and the pancreas. The wall of small intestine also secretes juices. The liver. The liver is a reddish-brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. The liver is the largest gland in the body. The liver secretes bile juice that is stored in a sac called the gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. The pancreas. The pancreas is a large cream-colored gland situated just below the stomach. The pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats, and proteins and changes them into simpler forms. The partly digested food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine. The intestinal juice completes the digestion of all components of the food. For example, the carbohydrate breaks down into simple sugars such as glucose. The fat breaks down into fatty acids and glycerol, and the protein breaks down into amino acids. Absorption in the small intestine. Now what does absorption means? Absorption means the digested food can now pass into the blood vessels in the walls of the intestine. Villi. Villi are the finger-like outgrowths in the inner walls of the small intestine. Villi increases the surface area for the absorption of the digested food. Villi has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of villi absorbs the digested food materials. Assimilation. The absorbed substances by the villi are transported to different organs of the body via the blood vessels. These absorbed substances are used to build complex substances such as the proteins required by the body. In the cells, glucose in the presence of oxygen breaks down into carbon dioxide and water. The fifth one is the large intestine. Undigested and unabsorbed food enters into the large intestine. Large intestine is wider and shorter than the small intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meters in length. The large intestine absorbs water and some salts from the undigested food materials. The sixth one is the rectum. The waste from the large intestine passes into the rectum and remains there as semi-solid feces. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called egestion.